Hi everyone, I have found another AI coder and its name is GeminiCoder. It is powered by Gemini API and it is completely free. You can make any kind of app in seconds, and here you see that they have attached three models. One is Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental, another one is Gemini 1.5 Pro, and another one is Gemini 1.5 Flash. Okay. Also in this video I will show you how to use this Gemini coder without any installation and with installation locally. Okay. So for that I asked ChatGPT that I want to build simple app, give me 10 such prompts. So it has given me 10 ideas. So let me choose any of the ideas. So let me choose number 8 ideas, personal journal app. So I will copy this prompt and I will go to this Gemini coder and I will ask it that make this app for me, and I will choose this model Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental because it is the latest model which have more capability than the previous models, right? Now yes, you see that within a second it has started generating the code, and one of the interesting fact that I have found that it is using the TypeScript. Okay, so here you see that within a second your app is ready. So what are the features that I asked it to include? Add tags, search by keywords, and optional encryption, and also write and save journal entries. Okay. So here you see that within a second it has generated this application. Also this encryption button that they have added, and also enter tags and this search entries option. So let me see that if it is working or not. So AI Digit. So let me enter my channel name AI Digit subscription. Okay, and so enter tag means YouTube. Okay, and also click on this encrypt. Okay, so here you see that it is asking for the enter encryption key. So ABCD 1 2 3. Okay, now confirm and also click on this add entry, and now here you see that it got added. Okay, oh my god, so it is working fine. Also they have added this edit and delete option also. So here you see the tags YouTube, and it is encrypted text means you cannot be able to see this text without without giving the encryption text, right? So encrypted text. Now if I write anything like this daily journal without encryption, and I am not giving any tags right now. Just click on this add entry, and now you see that it got added, and here you see that this is encrypted text, right? So it is working fine for me, and let me see that this search functionality working or not. Yes, this search functionality is also working. So you see that within a second I got a TypeScript version code, and it is working fine. Okay, so here you see that this is the TypeScript they are using interface, right? Now let me show you that how to use this with your local installation. I have given this link in the description box, this Hugging Face link. When you go to this link, you will find this interface to use this. And also when you will go to this GitHub link, then you will find this kind of GitHub page. And now just scroll down below, and here you see that cloning and running option. Just copy this line. Okay, this command, and go to your CMD and just paste it, git clone. Now it will be cloned to your directory, local directory. Okay, and let me show you. This is Gemini coder, and after that open it in your VS Code. Okay, and here you have to just make a .env file. So what are the instructions that they have written? Create a .env file and add your Google API key. Okay, so just copy these things and go to your local folder, and here on the in the root folder uh, create a new file .env. Okay, .env, and here paste Google API key equals to. How to get your Google API key? Just click on this Google AI Studio API key. You will find this page, and here you see that create API key option. Click on this, and here make your API key. Okay, I have already made my API key, so just copy this and so paste it here. Okay, now save it, and after that what I have to do, just run this thing, this npm install, and after that run this npm run that, and it will be uh, launched to your local machine in a port. Okay, and after that you will find the same interface. By the way, for your information, they have got this idea from this llama coder. Many of you already know about this llama coder, and but in llama coder you will find access to only llama and this Qwen 2.5, but there was not no Gemini access. So for that, this team actually, this was in Ocean Seviero. So they have actually forked this llama coder and made some modification and added this Gemini flexibility. So thanks to this team, and you can go to this GitHub and start this GitHub account. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and you can watch the other videos also in our channel.